Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones to a Vivo phone. First, make sure your Sony headphones have sufficient battery life, ideally over 50%, to prevent interruptions during pairing. Next, activate the pairing mode on your Sony headphones. This often involves pressing and holding the power button for about 7 seconds until an indicator light flashes. Finally, ensure your Vivo phone's Bluetooth is enabled and set to be discoverable by new devices. Now, let's prepare your Vivo phone. Begin by opening the Settings application, which you can typically find on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside Settings, locate and tap on the Bluetooth option. This is usually found under Connected Devices or a similar category. If Bluetooth is not already active, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on, making your phone ready to search for nearby devices. With both devices ready, your Vivo phone will automatically begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see a list populate with available devices. Look for your Sony headphones model name, such as WH1000XM5 or WF1000XM4, and tap on it. A pairing request might appear on your Vivo screen. Simply confirm this request to establish the connection between your headphones and phone. Once paired, your Vivo phone's Bluetooth menu will show your Sony headphones as connected or active. Many Sony headphones also provide an audible confirmation, like Bluetooth connected, through their earpieces. To ensure everything is working perfectly, play some audio, perhaps a song or a video, on your Vivo phone. You should hear the sound clearly through your Sony headphones, indicating a successful and stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.